Top 5 Immune System Boosters. Our immune system is a process of checks and balances that helps fight and protect the body from disease and illness. It's also possible to naturally boost our immune system. Eating a well-balanced diet. Foods can certainly boost the immune system. Try to eat a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, dairy products and lean protein. Fit in foods with omega-3 fatty acids, like eggs, salmon and avocados, as well. All these foods will not only build up parts of your immune system, but can help you maintain a healthy weight. Drinking plenty of water. Water intake can have many positive benefits for your immune system, including but not limited to aiding in digestion and preventing possible pathogens like a virus or bacteria from getting into the eyes, nose and mouth. Staying hydrated helps all the body's defenses function properly. Prioritizing exercise. Moderate intensity exercise can help maintain a healthy immune system. But exercise that's too intense and too much, especially if you're already feeling under the weather, can have the opposite effect and lower immunity. Getting enough sleep. If you get enough sleep, it will help your body fight off sickness and help succeed at the tips mentioned above. Adults should get between 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Take a nap in between break will help you energize while at work. Increasing vitamin intake. Vitamins B6, C and E are all known for their immune-boosting properties. You can get all of these vitamins from a well-balanced diet. Some foods rich in these vitamins include eggs, bell peppers, spinach, almond and peanut. Thanks for watching. Please click the link in the description for more information.